Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. So the question of trims always come up. People always want to know, how often should I trim? Does trimming really help your hair grow? I talk about trimming briefly in my healthy hair guide. I'm actually going to add to it, but by the time you see this, it would have been updated. So with how often you trim, it really just depends. So on average, I say like 8 to 12 weeks to trim your hair, but this can vary depending on your hair texture and type and what type of styling you do. If you do a lot of heat styling or you're color treated, you may need to trim it more often, like every 6 to 8 weeks, especially if you do a lot of heat styling. If you have natural or curly hair, you may need to trim it every 8 to 12 weeks, or depending on if you wear your hair mostly natural, like how are you taking care of the hair? Are you detangling? Are you keeping it hydrated and moisturized? You may even need to do it sooner than that. If you are trying to retain length, you may be able to get away with extending that time to even 12 to 16 weeks depending on your hair care regimen. I do mention in my healthy hair book how I usually would get my hair trimmed twice a year, and that would be completely fine because of my hair care regimen. I'm not gonna lie, I fell off a little bit and I have some other health issues, so I actually need to get my hair trimmed a lot sooner than that, especially because I have this blonde patch now, child. So I need to actually go like every 3 months. So it really just depends. There is no one size fits all. Our hair is different, our health is different, our lifestyle is different, the way that we do our hair, style our hair, wear our hair, the condition of the hair, if we have virgin hair, chemically treated hair, all of those things are different, so there's no rule of thumb. So with hair growth, it is on average a half an inch per month. So that's why I always recommend if you're trying to start your healthy hair journey, go ahead and get a good cut. Cut off all them split ends, babe. They are not serving a purpose. Allow your hair to grow as it should and retain that length. The biggest problem we have is retaining that length. So allow the length to be retained and trim your hair as needed. Don't skip out on your trims. Don't extend it too long, because split hair just splits up the hair shaft and eventually breaks off. Now you may have different lengths in your hair, and to get it back even, now you have to cut up to the shortest point. You don't have to, but typically that's what happens. So just keep up on your trim. Start with that really good haircut. In this video, actually, once we finished, she was like, actually, I think I want to get a trim. She did not book a trim. And so we went ahead and added on after I showed her how much she could stand to get or would need to be cut off. And that's what we cut off, and you know, that's completely fine. She typically does not book a trim. She just asked me in the chair, do I need a trim? Girl, you gotta book the trim, because that goes into the time. But she was my last appointment. As you can see, it's dark outside, so it was no problem to add it onto the appointment. Anywho, that's it. I done talked half the video, child. But I just wanted to discuss that. Also, my healthy hair guide is always available. It's always linked in the description, so be sure to get your copy. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Not me messing up on that part. Also, drop a pink heart if you made it to this point, and drop a pink and blue heart if you make it to the end. TTYL.